All right, ready to go? We're going inside Elephant Books. So Elephant Books is a book subscription box, and you have two choices. 0 to 2, they get 3 board books a month, or ages 2 to 6 get 2 picture books a month. So let's take a look at what books came inside the picture book option. So the kids get to unwrap. Coming inside, The Bear Ate Your Sandwich, which is a super fun book. My kids love this book so much, and in fact, on Growing Book by Book, we have a whole set of printable activities to go with this book. It was actually one of the Jumpstart Read for the Record books one year. And then also Chimpanzees for Tea, which is another one of my favorite books. This is so fun for working on rhyming. And makes a great read aloud. So if your child was getting this subscription this month, they would get 2 super high quality hardcover picture books. And as I said, the board book option for ages 0 to 2 gets 3 board books each month. So it's a fun way to give kids books every single month. So I hope this gave you a wonderful little sneak peek inside Elephant Books.